Hi guys, this is Tracy. Today I'm going to show you how to ungroup and attach your free Hello Fall Gnome SVG from this week. Hopefully this design is easy, just like the last couple ones that we've done with the gnomes. Tried to make it so that it would be easier for you guys to cut it out and layer it. So I will show you the process. First thing we're going to do is we're going to ungroup it. For the lettering here where it says Hello Fall, these are actually separate. So if you wanted to change the color of the F and the L and the L, you could. Those are all individual. You could change the color of the word hello, or you can leave it all the same. You could turn it all brown, whatever you want to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and attach this, and I'm going to hide this. Then I'm going to come down through here. This right here, these little leaves, like I've said in the past, if you would like to attach these, you can. What that's going to do is it's going to cut all together. Versus if they weren't, then they would be individual. I'll show you what I mean here. Just this brown. This one. This one. Okay, so see now all these little twigs are all individual pieces, so you would have to lay them where you want them to go. Versus if you attach them, when you go to make it, now these pieces will cut together. So while I say it's personal preferences, if you want to cut these, if you want to attach them, you can, but just keep in mind that all this right here is going to be wasted vinyl. So some people don't mind, other people don't want to waste the vinyl, so that's completely up to you. So let's go ahead and delete that. So for this purpose, I am actually going to attach it so we can show you as we go here. Let's hide that. Okay, this orange right here. These are his shoes and these little leaves right here and the little dots. You can ungroup this and change the color of the leaves, the dots, the feet, the little shoes if you want to. But for here, I'm going to attach this and I'm going to hide that. And then down here, this is up to you. If you wanted to ungroup this and then attach these little pieces, you could. I personally probably would leave those just the way they are, but that's just me. You know, again, whatever you're more comfortable with. This is his nose and his hands. You can attach those. Let's hide that. Let's see, what else do we have? His hat. That's just a piece all separate on its own. Same with his beard. Okay, the brown pieces here, the dots and his body are the same color. So when you go to put this on your project, you can put your brown down, you can put the black down, and then put all your pieces together. But I wanted to let you know that you can attach these, or you can ungroup them if you'd like to, if you want his body to be a different color. But that is, the body is one solid piece. So let's attach that and hide this. And then with the leaves down here, this leaf down here is actually a separate color. You can notice that by coming over to your color sync panel here. And see, this one is a different color than this. If you wanted it to be the same color, you absolutely could change it. To show you here, let's go ahead and let's see here. Grab this. So you could grab all these pieces here and hit your shift button and head this too, and then hit attach, and then those will all be the same color now, which made them brown, but you could come up here and change it back. And then we can hide that, and then you have your little stems here again. If you wanted to attach those, you can. Personal preference. For this demonstration, I'll go ahead and attach them. Okay, and then I'll show you, I will bring them all back. Now remember, what's on this screen, this is just for visual purposes. The color of your project, unless you're printing it, the color of your project is going to be determined by the vinyl that you put on your mat before you cut it. It's going to look a little wonky here. Okay, and then when you would go to make it, now your pieces, you would cut this. These are all going to cut together. And those are the ones, these I left out for those two little leaves right there. But it's up to you, however you guys want to cut them. And I will show you on here. If you don't know how to move elements from one mat to another, so you don't have to load as many mats. I'll show you this here. Click on this, move object, and then pick what mat you want it to go on. And then it'll land right there. So just remember when you go to make it, you would put black vinyl up here and white vinyl down here. Just saves a little bit of time in the cutting process. Okay, but that's it for this project this week. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget, if you make it, to come show it off in our Facebook group, because I love seeing what you guys make. But that's it. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for being here. I appreciate you.